let's talk about cost ng mga
Okay.
inspection, right?
Yeah.
And I just want to just give me a ballpark. Now, I get it. So, general inspection,
Yeah. Okay. So,
Rule.
again, depende. So, in Sacramento County or Placer County or Sacramento region itself is, it's reasonable. Okay. So maybe $8 to $1,000. Okay. But of course, when you go to the San Francisco Bay Area,
different story.
mas mahal, 1,500 to 2,000.
Makes sense.
Depende kung gaano kalaki yung bahay. And really important po, kasi remember, if the house has a swimming pool, the general home inspector will only inspect the house. They will not inspect the swimming pool.
I didn't know this.
Yes. So, kailangan humanap po kayo ng
Pool inspection.
ng ng swimming pool
inspection.
inspector.
Oo.
Kasi kailangan malaman kung papalitan na ba yung pump.
Oo.
Okay, meron bang crack yung pool?
Yung pool.
Na pwedeng mag-leak yung tubig,
Oo.
'di ba? Kailangan na bang palitan si ganito, si ganyan. So importante 'yon. Yes.
Okay. So, let's say, okay, I know general inspection about $1,000.
Yeah, about $1,000.